Hi, welcome to Joe's Humble Kitchen. Today I'm going to make chicken with potatoes, poulet or pommes de terre. It's a very easy dish to make. Only thing you need: chicken, potatoes. The potatoes you have to slice it very thin, not too thin, but like this size. And if you have a mandolin, you can use your mandolin to slice your potatoes. And then you get carrots, onion, you get rosemary, thyme, bay leaves, you have leeks, and you have lard. But you can use it or no, that depends on you. But if you use it, it's good because it's going to give your sauce. Your sauce will become very rich. And the chicken too, you can leave the skin on the chicken. To leave the skin on the chicken, it will give the sauce richness. And here it is. We start placing it in the bowl. Now we're going to start placing the potatoes on the bottom of the bowl. Like this. You can put any layers you want, but you have to cover the bottom of the bowl. There you go. Or if you want, you can put another layer. If you want to, I'm going to put another layers. Okay, and now you're going to put your bay leaf, put the thyme, you put the rosemary. There you go, put your rosemary. You're going to put some salt and pepper. And you place your chicken on the bed of potatoes. And then you add your lard. Put your lard in. And you put all your vegetables. Put your onion. You can put a bit of salt on your vegetable. And then you put another layer of potatoes to cover it. You can put a little bit more if you want. And now the most important, what I forget is the beer. You can get a brown beer or a dark beer. That's the most important. And then the butter, you have to melt your butter. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to salt the potatoes on the top. Black pepper on. Then we're going to pour the beer Okay, and then you pour the butter on top of the potatoes. There you go. Now you put the lid on. Now you have to put your oven on 150 and you let it cook for almost 1 hour or 1.5 hours. And then after 1 hour you remove the lid. You let the potatoes become golden. Okay, now let's put bowl in the oven. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. Here is the chicken with potatoes. And you see how it is? It looks delicious. You get a nice sauce inside. And the potato look very crisp on the top. And you can see the sauce. You have a nice sauce. And the chicken. And you can see the chicken is well cooked. Look how tender the chicken is. The carrot. Watch the video and give me a thumb up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Bon appetit and see you in my next video.